MU Class 4 Electrical Numerical Question. Question we have: find the generated EMF per conductor of a 6-pole DC generator having a magnetic flux per pole of 64 microweber and a speed of 1000 revolution per minute if there are 468 conductors which are connected in 6 parallel circuits. Calculate the total generated EMF of the machine. Find also the total power developed by the armature when the current in each conductor is 50 ampere. In the question given, we have pole represented by P is equal to 6, flux per pole represented by flux. You can see 64 microweber. We can write it 64 into 7.3 Weber. Now we can represent a speed by a small n, which is 1000 revolution per minute. Total conductor on armature represented by Z, which is equal to 468, and number of parallel path represented by A is given is equal to 6, connected in 6 parallel circuits. Current in each conductor represented by IC, which is equal to 50 ampere, which these are the all data given in the question. Now induced EMF per conductor. So a conductor in one revolution cuts flux equal to P I. So flux cut per second is equal to P phi n divided by 60. The P I is the cut flux in one revolution, and we have to calculate per second. So it is equal to revolution is given in minutes. So we had be converted into second. Okay. So then that equals to the EMF induced in one conductor. EMF induced in one conductor. So this is the EMF induced in the one conductor. So now we simply put the value and we will get EMF per conductor. So EMF is 6.4 volt. Generated EMF per conductor is 6.4 volt. How we calculated? As we know that a conductor in one revolution cut flux is equal to P phi, and now we will calculate in per second. For that revolution, n is the speed, so it is given in minute. We converted into second. Then EMF induced in one conductor become P phi n by 60. Okay. Now total EMF generated in the machine. Conductor are arranged into a parallel path. So conductor in series in each path is equal to Z by A. All conductor are arranged into a parallel path. So conductor in series, conductor, there are a parallel path, and in each path all are connected in series. Okay. So conductor in series in each path is equal to Z by A. So in each path, how many conductor? 468 divided by 6, it will come 28. Okay. Now voltage of series conductor we will get by adding. So EMF across one path is, first we calculate EMF across one path. It will be EMF in one path multiplied by number of conductor per. So EC we have already calculated, and conductors per path we calculated above. When we multiply, then we get total generated EMF of the machine, that is 499.2 volt. Okay. Now total armature current. Each parallel path carries the series current that flow through its conductor. So, and each conductor carry 50 ampere. So each path carry 50 ampere. Total armature current will be sum of current in parallel path. So total armature current, it is in one path. So number of path 6. So 300 ampere is the total armature current. Now we have to calculate power developed by the armature. Electrical power developed internal electrical power of armature, which is equal to generated EMF. We already calculated into armature current. So we have already ever calculated generated EMF. So power developed, we have this much. We can convert into kilowatt. Okay. Thank you.